Hey, Kaitlin, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I hope you're doing well. It was good to talk to you today. Like I said, I wanted to shoot you this quick video just showing you a few things, tips and tricks to improve your online presence and at the end of the day, get more customers. First thing I wanted to say is, taking a look at your website. Website looks really good. Number one rule with Google is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your website, on your homepage, sorry. And the reason for that is what that allows you to do is get the right buyer intent keywords that people are searching for on Google that in turn turns into new customers for you. So I'll say this up front and I'll be very honest. You guys are doing very well in your area, your hometown, Coppers Cove, Harker Heights, Killeen. It looks like you guys are getting, the lion's share of the business there. So great job, whoever, if you're doing it, whoever's doing that for you guys or whoever did it, did a good job. What I wanted to focus this video was if you want to grow outside of those areas. So if you want to, focus on an area like Temple, Texas or Georgetown, Texas, I specialize in that and I can help you. So I just wanted to show you a few things real quick and then we'll wrap up. But what I wanted to do was show you obviously when we talk about buyer intent keywords, right? We talk about plumbers, Temple, Texas. I typed that into Google. That's buyer intent. That means these folks, whoever's searching, probably lives in Temple and they're looking for a plumber and they're probably looking for somebody pretty quick, right? And so no secret to you guys. You guys have, are in the number one spot if I typed in plumbers, Coppers Cove, Texas. So that's great. But like I said, if you want to focus on some other areas, I could definitely help you with that. So I just wanted to look at this. Obviously, I typed this in. We scroll down. We look at these local businesses here that are in the Google Map Pack. The number one local company here that is on the first page of Google would be Roto-Rooter. So I'll use them as an example. Obviously, that's a franchise, so not necessarily a true local business like you guys are, but that's why you guys should be getting some of this business. So I wanted to show you, this is a software that I have where I can put in your website, competitors' websites, and really find out, dig a little deeper and find out what's working, what's not, what you can improve on. So I do this day in and day out, so I can tell when somebody's had work done on their website and their SEO. So I can tell that you guys have worked hard at this. You have over, 1,100 backlinks. That's very important, and you guys are doing a good job there. I'll show you, let me just show you your organic keywords that you're ranking for here, and show you, obviously, you guys know the type of traffic you're getting, but these are, I'll just show you how I read this. So again, buyer intent keyword, plumbers, Coppers Cove, Texas, or just plumbers, Coppers Cove. And how we read this is there's 200 searches per month for that exact keyword, right? Now, out of that, you guys are getting 81 click-throughs to your website for that keyword. So that's fabulous. You guys are obviously, like I said, getting a lot of business out of that for that. So that's good. Same with plumbers, Killeen, Texas. Again, 350 searches for that keyword per month. You guys are getting 27 click-throughs. We can definitely get you higher than the 6th spot if that's something that you're interested in. It looks like you're definitely, number one for Coppers Cove, number 2 spot here for Coppers Cove, but Killeen's down there a little bit. And then as we get into some of these other areas, like Temple, and that's why I wanted to show you. So we pull up Roto-Rooter's website, and I put that into the software, right? Now, as we can see, they don't have as many backlinks. This is them just focusing on one area, though, because they are a franchise. So let me just show you their organic keywords here, and how you could get some of some of the market from them on this. So there's Plumber, Temple, Texas. That's the search that we typed in to find Roto-Rooter. But Plumber, Temple, Texas, searched 450 times per month, so a lot of business coming out of Temple. And for that, they're getting 27 click-throughs for that. Okay, so, and the next one's Temple Plumber, 200 searches, they're getting 21 click-throughs to their website. So you get the picture. You could get a lot of that business just by ranking on the first page ahead of them. And it's very doable. This is not a very competitive marketplace. And that's what I call it low-hanging fruit. You can really go after them and take their market share right away from them. So, Kaitlin, I hope this helps. If you find this valuable, please pass it on to whoever handles this for you. I'd love to, show you some other things that we could do. If you're interested in expanding to other markets outside of Copper's Cove and Kaitlin. So, hope you have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.